Hi, I'm Steph from Simplicity Happens, and today's tutorial features how to make this rainbow that we can put on our spring background scenes. So let's get started making our rainbow now. Hello and welcome. Let's get started creating our rainbow. The first thing we'll do is go to Insert, Shapes, and we'll scroll down under Basic Shapes, and in this third row down, we'll select the black arc. Once you see that plus sign, let's just click and drag it out. It's very thick at this time, so we're going to use this orange circle on the inner side of the arc. Just click on it and we'll drag it outward. And then at this time, let's go up to Shape Format, and we can enter the dimensions in the Shape Height box, 7.5. And in the Shape Width box, we'll also enter 7.5. We may tweak this later, but this is a nice start. I'm also going to go up to Align and then Align Center. Now let's copy and paste this arc, and we'll do it 5 more times. So I'm going to press down on Control C, Control V, and I'll just do this a few more times here. We get 6 arcs in total. And then now it's just a matter of going in, and I'm going to align and align center for each of these. Once that's complete, I'm going to go ahead and use the colors of the rainbow. So I'll start with this first arc, go up to Shape Fill and select red. And at this time, I do not want an outline. So I'm going to go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Once that's selected, it will preset to no outline at this time. So I'm going to select the next arc, go to Shape Fill, select the orange color, no outline, yellow, no outline, green with no outline, blue with no outline, and purple with no outline. Once the colors are completed, let's go and select this first red arc, and then press down on Shift and Control, and we'll select the remaining arcs. And then we can go up to Shape Format and Group and Group. Now we have a nice rainbow that we can save as a picture. So when you right click, just scroll to Save as Picture and put this somewhere safe on your computer. And then of course, keep your original so you can make modifications. Next, let's create our fun spring themed background scene using our rainbow, clover, and pot of gold. Once you've created your unique background scene, it might be beneficial to, of course, keep your original, but if you'd also like to save this as a picture, just make sure you go through and you group every single item by selecting each one first, and then coming up to Group and Group. And that way you can then right-click and save as a picture somewhere safe on your computer. And then also, of course, keep your original so you can come in and make modifications. And look how cute this scene is. There are so many fun things you can do and more additions to come in the next few weeks. I hope you've enjoyed creating this rainbow with me today, and stick around. I'll be back shortly with how to make a clover and also how to make a pot of gold so that we can put these on our spring background scenes. So see you soon. Bye.